Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to log in as an administrator in Windows 10. Follow along carefully to enable and access the administrator account on your system. Start by clicking on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Control Panel. When you see Control Panel in the search results, click on it to open. In the Control Panel, locate the section labelled Administrative Tools. Click on it to proceed. A new window will open displaying a list of tools. From this list, double-click on Computer Management to access its options. Once you are in the Computer Management window, look at the left-hand menu. Expand the section labelled Local Users and Groups by clicking on the small arrow next to it. Then, click on Users. In the Users section, you will see a list of accounts on your computer. Look for the account named Administrator. Double-click on this account to open its properties. In the Administrator Account Properties window, you will see an option labelled Account is Disabled. If this option is checked, uncheck it. After unchecking the box, click Apply and then click OK to save the changes. Next, you need to set a password for the administrator account. To do this, right-click on the administrator account in the list and select Set Password from the context menu. A warning may appear to remind you that setting a password can result in loss of access to encrypted files and stored passwords. Click Proceed to continue. Enter your new password for the administrator account. Make sure to use a password that you can remember but is also secure. Confirm the password by typing it again, then click OK to save it. Now that the administrator account is enabled and secured with a password, you can log in. Close the Computer Management and Control Panel windows. Click on the Start menu, then click on your current user profile icon, usually located at the top of the Start menu. From the drop-down menu of available accounts, select Administrator. Enter the password you just set and you will log in to the administrator account successfully. This is the complete process to enable and log in as an administrator in Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video